We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this avocado-based dip, spread or salad first developed in Mexico. In addition to its use in modern Mexican cuisine, it has become part of international and American cuisine as a dip, condiment and salad ingredient. It is essentially made all around the world now, but the word comes from Mexico, originally from Spanish or Mexican, where it is said guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. However, in English or American, it is often pronounced guacamole. Guacamole, because the A sound in English doesn't really exist. However, it should normally be pronounced guacamole rather than guacamole. But it's kind of up to you which one you want to adopt, guacamole or guacamole. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce all of the Mexican dishes and Mexican produce that you need to hear and nail the pronunciation of. Hasta luego.